Assalamu alaikum everyone. In our today's class, we discuss about the Marksheet in Excel. So we did the activity on Marksheet, how to create a Marksheet in MS Excel. So I'm going to show you how to do it and kindly practice it at your home again and again so you can get familiar with the formulas and your categories which you are going to put in your mark sheet and all the features that you are going to use in your mark sheet. So let's begin this. All right, first of all, you need to write here mark sheet. And then you have to mention the class which you want to mention over here. Like if you are going to mention like grade 6 or grade 5, okay, any grade you can write here, standard. Okay, here then you have to write the serial number, and then the second one, division. First, try to finish all your work, means try to write everything instead of making the adjustment in your sheet. Okay, when you're done with everything, then you can adjust your data wherever you want. So it will be easy for you. So in roll number, then you have name, then you have accountancy. This is the subject. Then you have English, then you have maths, then you have economics, then you have business studies. Okay, right now you can see I've just brought business. So what you need to do to change the line, you can press Alt button and press enter together. Means you have to keep press Alt button and then press enter. So the line will get changed. So you will enter in a new line and write the second word over there. Okay, so you can see this thing. Then write total and then average and grade, and then in the end you have result. Okay, so we are done with this thing. Okay, so now you can see here the accountancy is not coming up here fully in the column because we have to make this adjusted by in this column. So what you will do, take your mouse in between E and F, so it will become like this. It will show the two arrows left and right. Then in the center of the line, press double click, it will get adjusted by itself. See, like this. Okay, if you want to set the alignment, so you have to go here. This is the alignment section. You can do the alignment whatever you want. If I need my words in the center, I will choose center, and if I want them in the middle of it here, what I will do like this. Okay, I can increase the size, means the font size. Now you can see the font size has been increased, but the columns are not going to adjust it. So take your mouse here and adjust it by yourself if you want. Right now, I'm adjusting it by myself. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, so now in the sheet you can see the mark sheet is very big. So what you have to do, take your selection tool, means the mouse, which is white in color right now. If you will take your mouse on the corner, it will become black. Okay, it is just going to be used to make a copy of anything. So you can see here, when I took the mouse on the corner and I drag it, it made the copy, two copies of mark sheet. So what you have to do, just take your mouse here, it will become white, and then choose how much work you did, means till up to the last column from A to M. My last value is in M. So what I'm going to do, click on merge. So it will become a one column. Now it is right now A1. The full column is A1. So you can increase the size. How much size you want, you can increase it, and you can set it as 24. Okay. Then you can make the same thing here, merge this thing, and it will come into center and extend it as well. Okay. You're done with it. Now we have to put the data here as like 1, 2, 3. So what I will do, write 1, then 2. No need to do anything. Take your selection mouse here and select these two values by your mouse, and then take your mouse here on the corner and drag it till up to the last value, which is available in your paper as like 13. Okay, 13 numbers are here. Then go into division. You have division as A. So just write A here in one row and drag it. So it will come like this. Or you can just take your mouse here, double click on it. It will get written up by itself. And then you have the roll number same as like before, 1 and 2. Again, selection tool, use selection tool and double click here. It will write the number by itself. Okay, now here we have to write the name, so we can extend this column a little bit. So the name should look clear. Okay, I have this sheet, so I'm not going to write this thing. I will just open the sheet and I will make the copy of it from there. Because I have to save the time because the video will become very lengthy. So that's why I just want to save the time. What I will do, I will just do the copy paste. I don't know why this file is not opening up here. Okay, let me write this. Okay, it's here. Not that file. This is the file. Okay, so I'm just making copy of it. Okay, you can see. Now I'm not going to write the numbers because it is also available in your paper. So I'm just going to make it copy paste from the sheet, which I already have here. So I'm going to copy the numbers from accountancy, English, maths, economics, and business studies. I'm not going to copy these numbers. We have to find these numbers by putting the formula because it okay. So sorry for the disruption. So as I told you that we are going to write the numbers only for the subjects accountancy, English, maths, economics, and business studies. So I will just make it copy and I will paste here. Okay. So we need to take out the total, average, grade, and result by putting the formulas. It is mandatory to take out everything by putting the formulas in Excel because we are working in Excel. So in Excel, we count everything by formulas. Okay, let me adjust these things. So you can do adjustment in later on, no issue, but I'm doing it now. Okay. Now I have to take it out the total. How can we take it out the total? As you guys can see, I will write here equals to sign, then SUM sum. This is the formula to calculate the total sum. Then see the first value. Where is the first value? It is in E. The column is E and the row is 5. Column is E, row is 5. E5. Then put the column, two dots means these are called columns. The sign which you can see here, this one, these two dots, these are called columns, and choose the last value which is in I5. The column is changing right now because we are working according to row. So the column can change, but the row will be same. So I5. Okay, I will write I and then I will write 5. So the system will choose all these values from the first till up to the last. So you can see now all values have been chosen up by the system. So I just need to put the bracket, means a closing bracket, and then press enter. So the system will directly give you the result by itself because we put it the formula here. And now take your mouse on the corner and press 2 times your left button of the mouse, double click on it and then you will get all the answers of everything here. For the average, now how can we count out the average? So you need to put the equals to sign, write the formula of average, put the bracket again as same which we did in sum, choose the value from E is 5. Okay, we are in E, the row is 5. Choose the first value, put the colon sign, erase this, then I5. The last value is in I5, same thing which you did in your sum, and close the bracket, and you will get the answer 45.5, 45.4. Okay, you can get the answer in decimal, but you can remove the decimal numbers from in this option, number box. So you can decrease it. So you can remove the decimal number and you will get the whole number over there. Means only the digits without any kind of point. Okay, then same as you did here in the total, just double click here and you will get all the answers. So now this is the main thing what we have to do in grade. We have to write the formula here, which is going to be very interesting. So you can see the formula here, whatever I'm going to write, you can see here. Okay, equals to sign, use the formula of if, then put the bracket. Now we are going to take it out the grade by average. Okay, so choose average. The my average is in column K and 5. So your average can be in different column or in different row. So you can choose according to your average cell. Where your cell is means the first cell, choose that thing. Okay, now I have to put the formula as equals to if, then put the bracket K5 and then less than the sign of less than, and then put as like we have the value here, the smallest value means the lowest value which we have here in the system, it is 30. Okay, lower than 30 you can put 32 over there. Okay, then you can put comma and then write fail, means if someone is getting less than 30 or less than 35, he must be considered as fail. Okay, then you have to write again if K5 means again average, K5 less than 60, it should write, put the comma, then inverted commas, it should write, you can see the formula here, whatever I'm writing, 60. I wrote 60, so it should write B grade. Okay, again put the comma if K5 average less than 70, comma, inverted commas, B plus, and close the bracket. How much brackets you open? 1, 2, 3. So we need to close 3 brackets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. The formula is here. Do it like this. Same. Drag it. You want to drag it, or you can just simply double click on the corner of the cell and you will get all the answers over here. Same you have to do with result. The if formula, then put average value K5 again less than 40. It should write fail. Then again if it is going to be K5 again, K5 less than 60, then it should write ER. Then again, if K5 less than 70, put the comma, inverted commas, then write past and close the inverted commas. Now close the bracket again, put the 3 closing bracket. You have 3 brackets, 1, 2, 3, and then press enter. Okay, now you can see the result. So the computer will give you the result that how much student they passed, means by good grade, and how much of them they got failed. So this is how you can do your all work in your MS Excel. You can do all your calculations. Now we do the adjustment. Okay. So as I told you, you can do it in the end. If I want everything in the center, what I can do, I can put it into center like this, and the names must be on the left side. So we will choose the name and we will set the left alignment. So it is looking good. If you want to put the colors in it, so you can choose your data, then go here in format table as and choose any of the color which you want and press OK. Okay, so now you can see the filter is here. So how can you remove it? Click here, go in data and remove the filter. That's it. So it will look good. Oh, sorry, I forgot to take this one. Let me make it. So let me choose this again. Okay, and remove the filters. If you want to put the color here, you can put the color here as well by going here, choose the value first, and then go here. You can choose, you can change the font color and you can put any of the color here that you want. If you want to remove these grid lines, so what you can do, go in views, remove the grid lines so it will look more good as one sheet. Okay, so you can see here, this is how you can count the marks of each student. You can make the mark sheet like this. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video and see you in the next class.